Hey, and welcome back to another video. This is just a random video I'm doing. This is not a video in one of my playlists or series. This is just like a sort of an unboxing, whatever you want to call it. So what I have here today is this. This is a first generation Apple Newton. It could be the revised first generation or the first generation itself. The revised first generation, I think, was H1000. I can't really remember what it was called, but it had a serial number. I'll put it up on screen. Not the serial number, the model number. This could be the enhanced version, which is like a few months older than the original version, but externally they look the same. I got it for like $61 in an auction. And we're gonna see what it's like. It's working and it comes with an SD card and the stylus as well. So let's jump right into this. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. All right, let's see what we got here. So $61 is actually quite a great deal for a Apple Newton, because they go for like over $100 sometimes. There were not many bidders on that bidding, like on the listing, so it's just one guy and me, and I put a larger reserve amount than him at the last 5 seconds. So he was at $59. He probably put 61 at the last few seconds, and he lost the bid. What is this? Is a TV box, HD TV box, whatever. I was wondering why this is that big and why he shipped in such a large box. Oh my god, that thing is heavy. I've never touched an Apple Newton. I've never seen one in person. This is the first time for me. So he's packed it really well. So that's always a good thing. The UPS box is probably got information there, so I'm not going to open it. I'll probably take this off. And here oh right, it's a pretty big thing. I thought it was smaller than that. Okay. Apple Newton Messagepad. How do I find out whether this is the first generation or not? What is it? AES Corporation. It's somebody's cut into it with a blade, and it says AES Corporation. What's the AES Corporation? I'll have to look that up. Probably the original owners of this thing. It comes with batteries, so 2 AAAs. This thing could be replace backup. Oh wait, in use, so replace main. Okay, is that how you get this thing out? How do you get the well, never mind. Let's see if it turns on. Power. Ooh, there we are. Newton. Flash storage card, 2K in use, 1,831 kilobytes free. Go away. Newton, okay. How do you undo, I guess? Is that how you do it? Okay, so how do I erase this thing? Is there an eraser? Nope. Is that the eraser? Now using numbers, dates. How do I erase this thing? What's that? Oh, it's the battery percentage and some stuff. How do I erase this thing? That's annoying. Extras, I guess. How do you? Oh, connection sharp, card, names, assistant, find. Let's see. Oh, I am struggling with this. Obviously it's a resistive touchscreen. It's not like a smooth capacitive touchscreen. So, go away. What do we write? see. The best part about resistive touchscreens is you can keep your hand like that. It's not going to register. Unlike my LG Stylo 5, where when I'm writing, I can't keep my hand like that because it's going to register. Resistive touchscreens, you got to apply more pressure, but still, it's more fun to write. Well, it's not fun, but it's easier. This doesn't there's no error, no unintended touches. Because the LG Stylo 5 is not smart like the iPad. Its touchscreen is not smart. So the iPad knows when your hand is resting on the screen and it only knows to write this half, but the LG Stylo 5 doesn't. All right, so let's write tech. There's a noticeable lag. Formative. Oh, that was not nice. My handwriting is absolutely terrible. Extras. Wait, how do I erase? Oh, right. What's that? Oh, right. Hold up. I think I figured this out. It's like you can go up and down with this thing. And I don't know. I'll have to figure this out later. Bob Anderson. Okay, so I'll have to blank this part out because that's someone's address. I'll have to erase everything on this. Like it has the previous owner's information. But yeah, I guess I'm wondering how do I'll after I'm done, I'll edit in which version of this is, because I gotta find its serial number somewhere. It could be the first generation or the first generation iteration. I'll let you know up here. Is that the very first generation or the reworked version of the first generation? What does this do? Is this a lock? What does this do? Oh, it's the memory card. That's the memory card lock. Okay. We got some ports here. We got PS2. I think that's called PS2 port. The rubber is still intact. That's nice. You got a charging connector, I guess. You could put, like, I think this probably had a battery pack. It's using AAA's now. How do I turn this thing off? Oh, right, power button. Okay. Still trying to figure out how to get the battery out of this thing. Replace main. See instructions on battery lid. Turn off the power. Slide the battery switch into the replace main. Insert a coin. And press down. Insert a coin there. I don't have a coin, but I have this. Let's see if that works. I'll probably do that later. This is just an introduction video. I don't want to make it too long. But yeah, I'll probably do that later. Anyway, everything works as it should. The memory card is in there as well. It's in excellent condition. It's a great piece to my collection. The rubber on it's actually rubber coated. The rubber is a bit sticky, but it's not too bad. But it'll be good. Anyway, I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.